In today's video, we present an easy guide to managing group admin roles with API. But before we start, a quick heads up. This is just an example of using the Postman API client with the Okta API. Remember, these steps might change with updates to Postman, so use this guide at your own risk. Okta doesn't guarantee that these instructions will always be up to date. All right, let's get started. First things first, let's create a token in Okta Admin Dashboard. Head over to Security, then select API. In here, click on Tokens, and then click Create Token. Name your token, copy its value, and keep it safe. You'll need it later. Next, download and install Postman. Once installed, open it up and click on the Environment Quick Look icon. Configuring Postman. Time to set up our environment. Click Add. Name it something like Test. Now, add 2 fields. For the first one, type API key under Variable and paste your Okta API token in the current value. For the second, type URL under Variable and enter the URL of your Okta org. When you have finished with this, hit Save. Then switch over to the new environment we just created. Next up, on the Okta Developer page, import the Okta Administrator Roles API collection by pressing on Run to Postman. Next, select the environment Postman should run in. Now, in Postman, select where to import the Administrator Roles API collection. Ready to assign a role to a group? Click on Collections. After that, expand Role Assignment Operations and select Assign Role to a group. For this API call, we need the group ID. Now, back in Okta Admin Console, go to the group in question. Using the URL, just copy the group ID you find in the last portion of the URL. Then paste the ID in the API call and click on the body section to edit the admin role you want your group to have. Click Send to execute. If it works, you'll get a 201 created response. Double-check in the Okta Admin Console to make sure the role is linked to your group, and that's it. You've successfully managed group admin roles using the API. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.